So hey everyone, I know you are tired to writing background color black, red or what you want again and again in every div, every single div. So here I am with a solution. So hey everyone, this is Kartik and I am back with a new video. In this video we are going to discuss about variables. So before getting late, let's start the video. So guys, basically in CSS, variable is just like any of other programming language. These variables are used to store and have a scope in which the variable can be used. So guys, basically this variable is very useful in CSS. Like if you want to add background color in every single div, you're tired about that. So you can just create a variable and you can just write background color and the variable name. That's it. It will work the normal one. And now a variable is defined by using two dashes. It's very important. We have to define a variable by two dashes at the beginning of it. And the benefit of variables is that they allow the same values to be reused as multiple places and updated modified from one place. Also, the variable name are easier to understand and use as compared to the variables. I just mean values of colors, as it avoids of being copying and pasting the value of the color over and over again. So guys, I hope you understand this. CSS variable is just like any other programming language variable. You have to just first of all assign it, and then you can use it everywhere in your CSS file. And next, the points. So first of all, the var function can be used to take the values of the variables in CSS. Make sure that, and there's two values. First is custom name dash custom name, and it is required parameter that accepts the custom property name starting with two dashes. And basically it's like custom name like dash dash Saksham or dash dash Kartik and dash dash David, etc. And second, value. It is an optional parameter. It accepts a fallback function which is used when a custom property is invalid. And now working of CSS var function. So the scope of the variable in CSS can be either be what's happened okay can be either be local or global. We can utilize the global variable in the entire document, whereas the local variable can be used inside the selector. So guys, now let's move on to our code. So now we have to play with CSS. So for that we have to open a Visual Studio Code as usual and create a file. And let's name it as var.html. And here let's add a documentation, not documentation, a boilerplate. And here guys, first of all, we have to add a div like this and name it as Codolan. And then we have to add a h1 and let's say h1, and here let's add Codolan. And here guys, according to the documentation presentation, we have to create a file, again a file, let's say index2.css. And it's not necessary to use, we can also inline, we can also use the CSS inline the boilerplate, but let's do it inside a file. So here first of all, according to the presentation, we have to add root, then we have to add dash dash bg color is equal to crimson, then dash dash txt, which is text color, is equal to white, like this. And now the main thing will begin. So from here we have to use the var like this. And here guys, we have to just add body, and then we have to add background color, like background color to variable dash dash bg color, like variable dash dash bg color. And here we have to select the h1 and let's say color, wait a second, color variable dash dash txt dash color. Then we have to add div, and now we have to give it a color of like var dash dash text color. Control S to save. And guys, you can see it will not work in our HTML because we have to first of all link it. So for that we have to add link CSS, and here uh, index2.css, control to save. And now we have to copy the file path and open the browser and paste it here. So here you can see guys, this is our CSS. It's look like a normal web page, but if we remove this, control to save, and here you can see it's back to normal. So this is called the variables in CSS, and I hope you understand this. And in the next tutorial we are going to discuss about more about CSS. And for that, bye bye, see you later and take care.